As the Tibetan New Year coincided with the Lunar New Year, also known as the Spring Festival on February the 10th this year, a family living in a multicultural compound in Lhasa, the capital of southwest China's Xizang Autonomous Region, celebrated the two festivals together. The compound named Gangpa Kanchan, a Tibetan-style residence in downtown Lhasa, is home to some 70 residents from Han, Tibetan, Hui, and other ethnic groups.
我是79年进藏到拉萨318国道修路的，62了。我家是甘肃的兰州。
俺乡下家那老孙就从你这头，民都路他家们这里的呢，他果然弄的那老别啥的songs，的呢家伙的包的，哦开车伙的，这个怕是那村子他那路上位，这个路八位。
After years of living in Lhasa, Sun likes to extend New Year greetings to his friends in Gansu in Tibetan language.
今年的话，藏里面跟重庆是一天的嘛，藏汉都是一家人嘛，跟着风俗习惯了。以前有时候要吃饺子，要包饺子啊，大家都是朋友嘛，碰到以后都是一家人嘛。
藏语名字叫登佩旺措，现在的话可能就是汉藏两个方面的语言可能都能掌握。我希望我的小孩能掌握好藏语和汉语，掌握这些，我们加强民族之间的团结。